Okay, in lesson 26-A, it is oral reading. So it is related from lesson 26 for brief forms, amounts, and quantities, and then word ending in "ly." Okay, so let's start. Dear passenger, early in June, members of our staff made a survey in which they asked 1,000 passengers of our railroad if they smoke on their way to the office or on their way home in the evening, period. This survey by our staff showed that merely 100 of them, or 10%, smoke, period. Nearly 200 of them, or 20%, said that would prefer that there be no smoking on our trains because smoke is not good for you. Paragraph. Therefore, beginning this week, only 2 cars on each 10, this is dash, car train will be smoking cars, period. If you would like to smoke on our trains, please ride in the first or last car, both of which are smoking cars, period. Sincerely yours. So please make a constant practice so that it is easy for you to read and understand. Thank you. Bye-bye.